Good morning students. So today we are going to discuss the next topic of chapter 4, that is minors and cofactors. Okay. So let's see the definition. What's the definition states? Minor of an element, that is generally we take Aij to denote any element. So minor of an element, that is Aij element of a determinant is the determinant itself, which is obtained by deleting the ith row and jth column in which that element lies. Okay, so the minor is what of any element. Aij is the determinant which can be obtained by deleting that row or column in which that element lies. So how to denote this? See, minor of an element, that is Aij is an element, and we are to find the minor of this element Aij, which is denoted by Mij. So Mij denotes, M stands for minor, so we will take first letter, capital letter of the minor. So Mij of the element Aij is a determinant which can be obtained by deleting row and column. Okay, so to understand this, I have taken one example. Find the minor of the element 6 in the determinant. So let us consider any determinant 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, and we are to find the minor of this element corresponding to this element or this element 6. So now we have to see this 6 element lying in which row and which one of the column. So clearly this 6 is coming where? A, you can write A, second row, that is 2, and third column A 2, 3. Okay. So we have to find minor of this element A2, 3, which is 6. So minor, that is M2, 3. M2, 3 means minor of element A2, 3. A2, 3 means 6. So we are finding the minor of this element 6. So how to get it? By definition, we have to delete its row and column in which the element coming, and so obtained determinant gives the minor of that element. So by deleting this row and column, we get 1, 2, 7, 8. 1, 2, 7, 8. That is the square determinant. Okay. And now as we know that how to expand the determinant, so cross multiplying 8 and then this 7 2 is 14. So subtract minus 6. So here M2, 3 equals to minus 6. Okay. Now you find simultaneously a minor of, okay, one more example in this I am adding, minor of the element 8. Okay, so try to find simultaneously as I am finding and then tell your solution. Okay, so you start solving minor of the element 8, minor of this element 8. So how to start? First of all, we have to see this element is what? A, this is lying in third row, this is the third row and second column. So third row, second column means A 32. So this 8 is coming where? At the place of A 32. So minor of this element, that is 8, is given by M32. M32 means what? Minor of, you can say minor of the element, which element? 8. Minor of this element 8 is denoted by M32. Because 32 means third row and second column the element coming. And now the value of this M32 is the determinant as per the definition just obtained by deleting the row and column in which the element coming. So we have to delete the 8 is coming in third row and second column and write the remaining elements. So what will left? 1, 3, 4, 6. Now understand once again. 1, 3, 4, 6. We have deleted this column and this row. So we have got this determinant, and after simplifying this, that is 6 minus 4 3s are 12. So minus 6 is what? The determinant of 3, 2. Similarly, you have to find, I am giving you the question for homework. Just find the minor of each and every element. It means you have to find M11, M12. So you have to practice. Okay, M13, then M21, M22, M23, write what all the minors of the elements, right? So that you can come into the practice. Now let's see the next topic. Definition of cofactor. Cofactor is also related to minor. So see, by definition, cofactor of an element Aij is denoted by capital Aij. The word is cofactor, and here what we are saying, Aij. So in NCERT, Aij has to be taken, but in other reference book like R.D. Sharma or Comprehensive and RA Publication Publishers and S. Chand, okay, you will be having what? This letter is denoted by Cij. But as far as the NCERT concerned, we are using the letter capital Aij. Okay, so you should not be confused. That's why I have told in other reference books the letter has been denoted by Cij. Ch-4 cofactor. So see. But now the question is, are you going to use the Cij or Aij? Because we are solving NCERT, so of course we have to prefer NCERT rule. Okay, so we'll be using the letter Aij only. I hope your queries has been over now with this explanation. So cofactor of an element is noted by Aij and which is defined by, so how to define this? Aij equals to minus 1 to the power this I plus j, whatever the suffixes are here, I plus j into Mij. What is Mij? Where Mij we just calculated in a previous article. Mij is the minor of Aij. It means in order to find cofactor of any arbitrary element, we just need to find its minor also. Otherwise, we are not able to find cofactor. As a cofactor is directly related to Mij, only the difference is what? The symbol minus 1 to the power I plus j. Right? So let's find one example where the concept is cleared. So determinant, I have taken this time 2 order determinant, because 3 order determinant I have already taken. So this time of order 2. 1 minus 2, 4, 3. In fact, even in NCERT as an example. So here we have to find M11. So first of all, we have to write A11. What is A11? A11 means 1. Now what is M11? M11 means obtained what? Delete the row and column where the element 1 is coming. So this row and this column is over. So we will left what? 3 only. So 3. So what is 3? 3 is called minor of this element A11. 3 is what? Minor of A11. In fact, the concept again being revised. Okay. What is the minor of this element 1? That is 3. Why 3? Because delete this row and column. So we are left with 3 element. Okay. So 3 is the minor. Now we have to look for cofactor. So cofactor of this element A11 is what? Capital A11. A11 means small a11. So we are finding the cofactor of this element A11, which is denoted by capital A11 and by the formula minus 1 to the power I plus j. So this is I and j. So 1 plus 1 into M11, minor of its element. So minus 1 to the power 1 plus 1, that is 1. M11 we have calculated 3. So 3 1 3. So this is the answer. Again, next part of the same question. Find A12. What is A12? A12 is first row, second column, minus 2. Right? So what is its minor? Because we have to find cofactor, and in order to find cofactor, we have to find what? Minor first. So M12 will be what? See, for this element, A12 is minus 2. For this element, delete column and row. So what we will have? 4. So this is M12. Clear? Now A12 means cofactor. So minus 1 to the power 1 plus 2 into, so obtained M12. That is A12 or M12. Directly related. Only the symbol. So A12 means minus 1 to the power 3, which gives minus. So minus 1 into M12 is 4. So minus 1 into 4 gives minus 4. So right. So you have to solve the exercise problem, because there are so many questions related to this, and make the concept clear, because this is very important concept in upcoming exercises which contain 6 marks. So thank you very much.